How to fix paper jams on HP ScanJet scanners. If you receive a paper jam error message on the control panel or if the attention light blinks, you may be experiencing a paper jam. First, press and hold the power button to turn off the scanner. Then disconnect the USB cable and power supply. Remove any pages from the input tray and the output tray. Close the output tray and extension. Open the document feeder hatch. Use both hands to remove any jammed paper. Check for any visible obstructions to the paper path, such as paper debris, staples, or paper clips. Inspect the rollers in the document feeder hatch and remove any visible debris. Close the document feeder hatch. Open the scanner lid. Check for any visible obstructions to the paper path on the bottom of the scanner lid. Remove any obstructions you find. Close the scanner lid. Open the output tray to check if there is paper still inside the paper path. If there is still paper in the paper path, carefully pull the paper out. Reload the document into the input tray. Reconnect the USB cable and power supply to the scanner. Press the power button to turn on the scanner. The scanner is now ready for use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.